Sera was originally the second largest monastery in Tibet, where more than 6,000 monks studied and lived. Each morning, the monks gather for the early morning debate session. In the monastic universities, the monks study the classical Buddhist subjects. These subjects include logic and epistemology, psychology, philosophy, cosmology, and ethics, as well as Buddhist meditational theory and practice. Traditionally, the monks refine their scholarly knowledge through debate, both in the morning session as now, and again each evening. The theme being debated here is the question of what constitutes a particular act as being virtuous or non-virtuous. Is an act virtuous or non-virtuous due to the motivation, the act itself, or the consequence? Also, what is the relationship between the degree of the individual's knowledge or ignorance as the act occurs and the individual's responsibility for their actions? Across the hall, the monks are debating a philosophical point related to the nature of self.